Hey, today we're making a Kurdish red cabbage salad. It's delicious, super easy to make, and absolutely gorgeous. But before we get started, I want to say welcome, and if you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I post new Kurdish recipes every week. The ingredients we need are red cabbage, lemon juice. You could use vinegar instead, but I do prefer lemon. Some salt, and you could stop here and only use these ingredients, but I like to add a few more things, such as fresh mint, black pepper, and olive oil. First thing we need to do is to finely slice our red cabbage, and if you have one of these cheese slicers, go ahead and use it. If you don't, that's perfectly fine. You can of course use a knife to cut your cabbage into fine ribbons. When you've done that, pour your lemon juice over the cabbage and see how the color changes instantly. Add your chopped fresh mint, your salt and pepper to taste, and drizzle your olive oil over the salad and mix it all thoroughly. You can eat it pretty much right away, but if you let it rest in the fridge for a few hours, the flavors will develop better and the cabbage will wilt down slightly without losing its crunch. I'm going to transfer it into a smaller container to store in the fridge, and I'll be back in about 2 hours. That's 2 seconds for you. You can also make the salad a day ahead of time if you like. Apart from the flavor, the color is my second favorite thing about this salad. Garnish it with some fresh mint, and you're ready to serve this gorgeous thing. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the world. I hope to see you on the next one.